Imagine this. You tap on a link, and within seconds, a video from the other side of the world plays on your screen. Or you send a meme to your friend, and it pops up instantly on their phone. But how? What kind of invisible magic connects billions of people together? Well, that magic is called the internet. And today, we're going to break it down, piece by piece, to understand exactly how the internet works. Stick with me till the end, because the story of the internet is bigger, crazier, and way more interesting than you think. Most people think the internet is just Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi is only a small piece. The internet is actually a giant global network of networks, billions of computers, smartphones, and servers all talking to each other. Think of it like a massive highway system. Each road connects cities, towns, and villages. Similarly, the internet connects devices, websites, and data centers. And here's the most interesting fact. This network isn't floating in space. It's physical. We're talking about fiber optic cables running under oceans, satellites in orbit, and gigantic data centers buzzing with servers. The story begins in the 1960s during the Cold War. The US government wanted a communication system that could survive even if parts of it were destroyed. This led to ARPANET, the ancestor of the internet. In the 1980s, scientists developed the TCP/IP protocol, the set of rules that still runs the internet today. Then came Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, who invented the World Wide Web. That's the part of the internet that gives us websites, links, and browsers. So, how does a YouTube video or an Instagram reel reach you? Here's the journey, step by step. Let's say you type youtube.com into your browser. Your computer or phone sends a signal to your internet service provider. Now, computers don't understand words like youtube.com. They need an IP address, like a digital home address. The domain name system is like the phone book of the internet. It translates names into numbers, so youtube.com might become something like this. Now, your request is broken into tiny digital envelopes called packets. Each packet has an address label telling it where to go and where it came from. These packets travel at near light speed through fiber optic cables. How fast? A single fiber cable can carry data from millions of high-definition videos at the same time. Routers act like traffic managers, making sure your packets take the fastest route. Eventually, your request reaches a server, a powerful computer that stores the website or video. The server sends the data back, again in packets, through cables, routers, and satellites until it reaches your device. And boom, you're watching cat videos. Now, how do websites and apps actually exist? At the core, the web is built on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, the structure, like the skeleton. CSS, the design, clothes and style. JavaScript, the brain, makes things interactive. To communicate across networks, we use protocols. HTTP/HTTPS sends and receives web pages securely. SMTP, email. FTP, file transfer. Every time you scroll Instagram, send a snap, or Google something, these coding languages and protocols are working quietly in the background. Here's a secret. No one owns the internet. Instead, it's maintained by organizations that set standards like ICANN manages domain names. IETF creates internet protocols. Big companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon own massive parts of the infrastructure. So the internet is like a giant neighborhood where everyone owns their own house, but the roads are built by a mix of governments and private companies. The internet isn't all sunshine. There's also the dark web, hackers, and misinformation. Billions of devices are connected, which means billions of opportunities for security threats. But the future? Even wilder. 5G and 6G will make speeds almost instant. Quantum internet could revolutionize security. And with AI, the internet might not just connect people. It could connect intelligent systems. So the next time you send a meme, stream a video, or swipe on a reel, remember, behind that instant action is a world-spanning dance of cables, codes, and computers. You know how the internet knows everything about you? The real question is, in the future, will you still be using the internet, or will the internet be using you? Think about it. If you love this video, then try these two videos too. See you there. Thanks for watching and subscribe to watch more videos like this.